Hello, welcome to Learn Everything for Free. Welcome to Class 1 Working Environment. So first you launch your Pixel Lab. Your Pixel Lab might look a little bit different from my own. Okay, I'm using dark mode Pixel Lab, full version. It's not going to pop up ads and the rest of them. Well, we'll talk about this later. Now you might be seeing a different thing here, but don't worry about that. It's the same thing. Okay, what I have is virtually what you have to, just little template. So let's get started. Now here's our working environment. What you're seeing here, the whole of this place where I'm moving or hovering my mouse around, is my working environment. This is where you do your design, you create your jobs and all that. Anything outside this white background, it's not in the working environment. So if you're printing, it won't get it. If you're saving, you won't get that area. Okay, it won't be among that area will not really come out. Okay, if you're printing or you want to showcase it on any social platform, anything you do, any design you create outside this white background will count as nothing. Okay, so you work inside this environment. So these are working layer, working environment. So I'll be showing us some of these tools. Okay, what we'll be using. So that is the working environment. Then here, this is our template. Okay, here is our template. When you click these three rings, okay, these three rings, it shows you option like my project, like a file where you can, you want to pick any saved document, any saved project. You click on it, it will take you to files. Okay, for you to select any of the jobs you've been creating before. Then we have default. This is a default template. If I click on it, it will change. Default template. These are templates. So your Pixel Lab, probably the one you downloaded on Play Store, will not be giving some of these templates, but you'll be seeing something like I think something like this template should be there, and some other templates. Okay, so that just about the template. Then we have the text tool, the text environment. Okay, the text tool, we'll learn how to mix up the text tool. We'll learn how to use the object, the image tool, object tool, okay, or shapes tool. Then here we'll learn how to make use of the background. Okay, how to change our background. It has to do with cropping the background, coloring the background. Okay, using an image from background from file. Okay, so this has to do with background here. Okay, how to customize the background. Then the last one that looks like a magic one is should I say, it's all about contrasting the background. Okay, although different from this, it has to do with you changing the screen resolution, the working environment resolution. You want to brighten the background, darken the background, you want the background to be stripes and all that. All this, we will learn all those things. Okay, so that's just the working environment. Then here we have our save button. Okay, we have our save button. You want to save any project you're working on, this is where you click. I will show us how to do all of those things. Then this is our share button. You can share your project to either WhatsApp or any social platform or email, whichever method. Then we also have the quotes. Okay, text quotes. When you click on this, automatically you see some quotes. All of this will make use of this. Okay, we'll make use of the quotes. Okay, once you click on quotes, you can pick any of these quotes. Then it gives you right up and all that. Then we have this option. This three dots is option. Then you want to use image from gallery. All of these things we'll learn. Okay, then we also have the plus. Okay, this plus here is the same thing as either adding text, current date, sticker, whichever one. So you just add sticker. Okay, so all of these things I will show us how to use all of this. Okay, we'll learn how to use all of these things. So they just introduction, class 1, working with the environment. So they just the environment. Okay, the learning environment. So these are working environment. Then you can draw, and all that. I will show you how to use all of these tools. So that's that for the working environment. Thank you. See you in class 2.